Greetings. In this video, we will talk about a very important topic. We will see how to access the LabsMobile support by answering users' questions and possible incidents. We'll show you how. Don't miss it. At the top, you can see the support menu where you will find the main options to get answers to your questions or contact LabsMobile. The first option is to hide or show the online help. You will also have access to different resources where you can get answers to your doubts or queries. First of all, the tutorials section where you will see more videos like this one. And then the knowledge base and FAQs where you will find a concise and practical summary of how the platform works and the technical characteristics of SMS, such as the possible status of an SMS or what types of SMS exist, among many other articles. You can search by topic or keyword. We encourage you to ask any questions or concerns. You will surely get an answer. If we have not found an answer in the tutorials and FAQs, or we need more information, the best method is to access the support chat and type the question. An available agent from our support department will attend and resolve the issue immediately. It is important to emphasize that you will be attended by an expert in the platform and in the world of SMS. We do not use bots or external personnel. Finally, if an incident has occurred or the chat is not available, we can always resort to the ticketing system by creating a case. In this screen, you will see all the support tickets that have been generated from this account. By clicking on Add a new ticket, you can send a message directly to our support team. When completing the incident ticket, we advise you to add as much information about the problem as possible so that the technicians can resolve it as quickly as possible. In the case of reporting problems or referencing messages, it is necessary to attach the message ID, destination numbers, and day or time of sending. In this regard, the more examples that can be provided will help to detect and resolve any issues. Note that it is also possible to create a ticket by sending an email to support@labsmobile.com, and that this ticket will also be visible on a screen if it has been sent from the account username email. In addition, you will also receive every response or status change by email. As you can see, it is possible to access all comments and ticket information by adding replies or new information. In LabsMobile, we are committed to loyalty and quality of service, so we do more for our customers. Thanks for seeing us, and you know where to find us.